Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix error start stop on Volkswagen. This solution will work for the Volkswagen Tiguan, Volkswagen Golf, Volkswagen Polo, Volkswagen Touareg, Passat, and lastly the Touareg. So if you guys have any of these models, the solution will should be working fine for you. So basically guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to the navigation screen in the right side of your steering wheel, right here. And then basically guys, once you're here, I'm going to give you guys a closer look to be able to see, and make sure that you are in the home section right here. Click on the menu button and then you're gonna see all of your applications. Once you're here, all you need to do guys is go ahead and click on vehicle. Then once you click on vehicle, you're gonna be here in vehicle status, and in the bottom right you're gonna find settings. Give it a click. Then here you're gonna find the list that includes all of your vehicle's settings. Once you're here, scroll down and click on parking and maneuvering, and if you have the start stop option, it's gonna be right here. I don't have it in my car, but it should be here. And then just click on it to deactivate it and re-click on it to activate it, and then it should be working fine. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.